Renewed hope has been expressed in South Africa's ability to revitalise the manufacturing sector. A new research study on localisation and policy formulation aims to address impediments. The report, commissioned by Proudly South African, comes as a 2-point drop has been recorded in ABSA's index measuring confidence in the sector. Manufacturers expect industry performance to worsen due to the ongoing impact of load shedding. Researcher at Benguela Global Fund Managers, Rela Suskin, says the decline in confidence is extreme, as a reading of 26 points reflects a slump last seen at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah, so the overall number is quite weak. It dipped 2 points to 26 for the third quarter. The key concerns really from manufacturers is the continuous load shedding that weighs on productivity. Also, they're seeing just general demand across the market dipping as consumer disposable income comes under pressure with high inflation, increasing interest rates, and also a pullback in borrowing from financial institutions. On the positive side, they are seeing price increases across different commodities sort of easing. So they do see that starting to come through into lighter working capital going forward, which will provide some easing.
As soon as NEDLAC caught wind of the fact that this report is out, they asked that we come present it to the Trading Industry Chamber. And you know, at NEDLAC, you have all the social partners, including government, the private sector, through organized business, as well as organized labor and civil society groups. And so we view that as an opportunity to go and present directly to those who are implicated in the report, because the report does make some policy recommendations, and these are the people who will be able to implement those policy recommendations once we have been able to unpack it to them. So 2 weeks from now, we're presenting the report to NEDLAC, and we're hoping that on the back of that presentation, we'll be able to then start having those conversations with the relevant stakeholders, especially at the policy level, who can assist us ensure that policies talk to localization, but also the demand side, because demand is very important in this journey of ours of trying to ensure that manufacturing is revitalized such that it can increase its contribution to the GDP and the recovery of the economy broadly.
Some activists